To other news now, police stations in Westmoreland are returning to normality following Hurricane Melissa. Infrastructural repairs are being done and communication has improved. Kimberly Petty reports.
Officers attached to the Bluefields police station in Westmoreland have had a tough time since Melissa. At one point, they were forced to work under a mango tree as they tried to serve and protect. But now this metal container is their base, at least until their headquarters is repaired. SSP Othniel Dobson is the commanding officer for the Westmoreland Police Division.
We have all of our stations up. The only station that is not back up fully is the Bluefield station, but it's under repair. Yes. I went there to visit and it looks good. So we are currently working from a container but still providing the services.
At the White House police station, tarpaulins are visible as repairs continue. This station is also not yet on the JPS's grid.
All our stations except Bluefields and White House now have back electricity. And all our stations have been connected via cell phones. So even when we don't have that communication through landline at all, we have full numbers for these stations that the public can communicate with us.
The divisional chief says although things aren't perfect, they're doing their best to help keep Jamaicans safe.
We won't complain, we'll continue to crack on and work under the circumstances until better comes. Until better comes.
Better must come.
No, until better comes.
And the effort is being rewarded. The division has recorded a reduction in crime.
Westmoreland showing 61 murders less than the year before. Similar numbers in shooting, so we had 61 less murders, 43 less shootings over the period. The parish concluded with 39 murders for the year, and the lowest we have had in almost 18 years.
SSP Dobson made this revelation.
So far this year, we are still seeing a 33% reduction. We had 6 murders this time last year, and we are now at 4. We are seeing overall reduction this year, 17% so far. We know it's going to be a hard task, but the men and women under my command will work as hard as possible to ensure that we have further reductions this year. We don't want it to be a one-off situation. It will be a trend in Westmoreland.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
And later in this newscast, U.S. buildup of warships and fighter jets tracked near Iran. We'll be right back.